Good morning. I just finished journaling and I don't journal quite often, only when I feel really strong emotions. After reading what I wrote, I realized that I'm overstimulated, which makes sense now because I've been feeling so tense and irritated lately for no particular reason. I just feel an overload of anxiety. I'm sure I'm not the only one experiencing overstimulation, especially feeling overwhelmed with media consumption. So today I want you to come along with me and share with you ways to unwind and feel more at ease. And you're not the only one doing this. We're doing this together.
Touched it! Ow! Stop! Stop! Ow!
Yes, okay, thank you.
I recently found a hobby which I've been wanting to do for years now. As much as I want to tell you this new hobby of mine, I want to keep it to myself for now. It took me so long to start because I can be quite shy and introverted, and I don't get out of my comfort zone as much as I want to. Finding a hobby, big or small, can be a lot of fun and make your days more meaningful. Surprisingly, I know. I know that I said on the first day of school that there are so many different things that I want to try, but I don't feel ready, and I'll never feel ready. So I turned off my brain and I took action. I couldn't be more proud of myself. This whole time, it felt like I had a ticking bomb inside of my head. It finally stopped ticking because I did something that I've been wanting to do for so long. If there's something that you want to do, I say just do it. Just don't think. If you're an overthinker like me, just keep yourself preoccupied until that moment. Now, are you gonna be good at something on the first try? No, but that's where self-compassion comes in. You have to be kind to yourself and be understanding of imperfection. It's not easy, obviously. I'm still going through it. I'm not saying this because I'm like, wow, I figured it out. I solved the problem. I haven't. I'm still going through it. Everything that I say is just a learning process that I'm documenting to you guys and to myself. I think me feeling overstimulated, feeling at my lowest, gave me that push that I needed. I just wanted to take back control of my life, even though I've always had control of my life, but sometimes it feels like you don't, but you do. Again, everything that I said in this video is not gonna solve your problems, but I do hope that it eases your mind just a bit and just to remind you that you do have control in your life. And if all else fails, just watch your favorite movie. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.